fellow travelers. In today's episode of Tourist Trails, we're embarking on a journey to the enchanting country of Austria. Get ready to uncover the top 5 must-visit places in Austria that will captivate your heart and leave you craving for more. So, let's dive right into it. Number 5. Our journey begins with a breathtaking view of the Salzkammergut landscape. Surrounded by majestic mountains, crystal-clear lakes, and lush greenery, this region is a true paradise for nature lovers. The serene beauty of this place will leave you speechless. Our first stop is the enchanting village of Hallstatt. Nestled on the shores of Lake Hallstatt, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is like a postcard come to life. Take a leisurely stroll through the narrow streets lined with colorful houses and flower-filled balconies. Explore the famous ossuary, visit the salt mines, or simply sit by the lake and soak in the peaceful atmosphere. Next, we head to Wolfgangsee, one of the most scenic lakes in Salzkammergut. Surrounded by mountains and charming villages, this lake offers a multitude of activities. Take a boat ride across the crystal-clear waters, hike through the picturesque trails, or simply relax on the lake shore and enjoy the stunning views. Our journey continues to the charming town of Bad Ischl. Known for its historic spa culture, this place has been a popular destination for relaxation for centuries. Visit the Kaiser Villa, the former summer residence of Emperor Franz Joseph I, and immerse yourself in the town's rich imperial history. Don't forget to indulge in the local pastries and coffee at one of the traditional cafes. Lastly, we arrive at Gosausee, a hidden gem tucked away in the Dachstein Mountains. This alpine lake offers a postcard-perfect setting with its emerald green waters reflecting the towering peaks. Take a hike around the lake, breathe in the crisp mountain air, and feel the tranquility that surrounds you. It's a nature lover's paradise. As our journey comes to an end, we hope you've been captivated by the beauty and charm of Salzkammergut. With its picturesque villages, pristine lakes, and awe-inspiring landscapes, this region truly is a hidden gem in Austria. Number 4. Nestled in the heart of the Austrian Alps, Innsbruck is a true gem that combines history, natural beauty, and adventure. Our journey begins with a breathtaking view of Innsbruck's Alpine setting. Surrounded by towering mountains, this city is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. The picturesque landscape provides a stunning backdrop for all the wonders that await you in Innsbruck. Our first stop is the historic Old Town of Innsbruck. Step back in time as you wander through its charming cobblestone streets. Admire the colorful medieval buildings, ornate facades, and the famous golden roof. Discover the rich history of Innsbruck and its connection to the Habsburg dynasty as you explore the elegant squares and visit the magnificent Imperial Palace. Next, we head to the iconic Berg Isel ski jump. This architectural marvel not only offers panoramic views of Innsbruck and the surrounding mountains but also serves as a testament to the city's passion for winter sports. Learn about the Olympic history of the ski jump and, if you're feeling adventurous, take a ride to the top and experience the thrill of standing where athletes have soared through the air. Our journey continues to Ambras Castle, a true treasure of Innsbruck. This Renaissance castle is home to a vast collection of art, historical artifacts, and curiosities. Marvel at the opulent interiors, wander through the beautiful gardens and immerse yourself in the captivating stories that unfold within its walls. Lastly, we venture into the Nordkette mountain range, just a short cable car ride away from the city center. Ascend to breathtaking heights and witness the awe-inspiring beauty of the Alpine landscape. Whether you're an avid hiker or simply looking for a peaceful escape, the Nordkette offers a multitude of trails, viewpoints, and opportunities to connect with nature. As our journey through Innsbruck comes to an end, we hope you've been captivated by the beauty and diversity of this remarkable city. From its historic treasures to its awe-inspiring mountains, Innsbruck has something to offer every traveler. Number 3. Situated on the banks of the Mur River, Graz offers a unique blend of old-world charm and modern sophistication. Our journey begins with a captivating aerial view of Graz's skyline. The city is a harmonious mix of architectural styles, from medieval fortresses to contemporary structures. It's a visual delight that showcases Graz's rich history and its vibrant present. As we venture into the heart of Graz, we find ourselves in the enchanting Old Town. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine streets, adorned with beautifully preserved Renaissance and Baroque buildings. The Hofplatz, Graz's main square, is a bustling hub of activity, where you can soak up the vibrant atmosphere and admire the iconic clock tower. Our next stop is the Schlossberg, a prominent hill that offers panoramic views of Graz. Take a leisurely stroll or ride the funicular to the top and be rewarded with breathtaking vistas of the city and the surrounding landscape. Explore the remnants of the ancient fortress, discover hidden gardens, and enjoy a moment of tranquility in this urban oasis. Graz is also a city that embraces contemporary art and design. We make our way to the Kunsthaus Graz, an architectural marvel that houses a diverse range of modern and contemporary artworks. Its futuristic appearance stands in striking contrast to the surrounding historical buildings, making it a true symbol of Graz's commitment to creativity and innovation. No visit to Graz is complete without a visit to the magnificent Eggenberg Palace. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a true gem, with its lavish Baroque architecture, stunning gardens, and captivating interior. Step into the opulent past as you explore the grand halls, admire the richly adorned rooms, and learn about the noble Eggenberg family. Lastly, we venture into the vibrant Lend district, known for its creative scene and urban charm. Here, you'll find trendy cafes, art galleries, and a lively atmosphere that is sure to captivate you. Embrace the unique vibe of Lend, mingle with locals, and immerse yourself in Graz's contemporary cultural landscape. Number 2. Nestled on the banks of the Salzach River and surrounded by stunning Alpine scenery, Salzburg is a city that exudes charm and elegance. Our journey begins with a breathtaking aerial view of Salzburg's Old Town. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a treasure trove of architectural marvels, Baroque churches, and narrow cobblestone streets. The imposing Hohensalzburg Fortress stands proudly atop the hill, overlooking the city and offering panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. As we explore Salzburg, we cannot miss the iconic Mirabell Palace and Gardens. This splendid palace, with its meticulously manicured gardens, is a masterpiece of design and symmetry. Stroll through the enchanting flower beds, marvel at the grand fountain, and imagine yourself in the footsteps of Maria and the von Trapp children from The Sound of Music. Next, we venture into the charming streets of Getreidegasse, one of Salzburg's most famous shopping destinations. This bustling pedestrian street is lined with beautifully preserved medieval buildings, enticing shops, and traditional cafes. Don't forget to look up and admire the ornate iron signs above the shops, a unique feature of this historic street. A visit to Salzburg would be incomplete without paying homage to its most famous son, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. We make our way to Mozart's birthplace, a yellow building in the heart of the city. Step into the world of the musical genius as you explore the rooms where Mozart grew up, admire his childhood instruments, and learn about his extraordinary life and legacy. Number 1. Known as the City of Music and the City of Dreams, Vienna is a treasure trove of art, history, and grandeur. Our journey begins with a bird's-eye view of Vienna's iconic landmarks. The city's skyline is dotted with architectural masterpieces, including St. Stephen's Cathedral, the Hofburg Palace, and the Grand Vienna State Opera. The site is a testament to Vienna's rich history and its place as a cultural capital. Our first stop is the splendid Schönbrunn Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that embodies the opulence of the Habsburg dynasty. Step into the palace's magnificent rooms, stroll through the meticulously manicured gardens, and imagine the grandeur of imperial life. Don't forget to visit the Gloriette, a stunning structure offering panoramic views of Vienna. Next, we venture into the world of music at the Vienna State Opera, one of the world's leading opera houses. The elegance of its architecture is matched only by the enchanting performances held within its walls. Immerse yourself in the magic of a live opera or ballet performance and witness the incredible talents that grace this prestigious stage. Our journey continues to the magnificent Belvedere Palace. This architectural gem is home to an impressive art collection, including Gustav Klimt's famous masterpiece, The Kiss. Lose yourself in the world of art as you explore the palace's ornate rooms, exquisite gardens, and the breathtaking views of Vienna from its terraces. No visit to Vienna is complete without a trip to the vibrant Naschmarkt. This bustling open-air market is a feast for the senses, offering a myriad of flavors, colors, and aromas. Indulge in local delicacies, sample fresh produce, and immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere of this culinary paradise. Lastly, we explore the enchanting Prater Park. This expansive green space is home to the iconic Vienna giant Ferris wheel, a symbol of the city's charm. Take a ride on this historic wheel and enjoy panoramic views of Vienna. Stroll through the park, ride the carousels, and experience the timeless joy that Prater has to offer. And that concludes our whirlwind tour of Austria's top 5 must-visit destinations. We hope you enjoyed this virtual adventure and found inspiration for your future travels. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, keep exploring and keep wandering the tourist trails of the world. Safe travels!